Okay, welcome class dito sa ating lecture 2 sa ating module 1, Introduction to Surveying. Ang topic natin ngayon ay errors and mistakes, correction and adjustment. Okay, actually meron tayong introductory part sa ating module, no? Merong errors in measurement. So ito, we will look at a deeper meaning of errors and mistakes, as well as the correction and adjustment to be done in survey measurements. So this is the definition of error in your handout. It is the difference between the true value and the measured value of a quantity. So that is the error. Next, we have mistakes. So again, I told you last time that mistakes should be eliminated in your field notes. Kailangan matanggal nang sa ganun ay maiwasan. Kasi minsan itong mga mistakes ay malaki ang epekto sa ating mga computations later on. Okay? So these are the types of error as we have defined earlier sa ating lecture 1. Systematic error and accidental error. So MPV is the most probable value. Sa madaling salita, ang MPV ay kung meron tayong isang set of measurements, let's say 5 measurement, we just add them up and kukunin natin yung average. Yun ang most probable value. Ganun lang kadali ang MPV. So, probability. So, dahil sa i-adjust natin yung mga errors, hindi naman tayo perfecto, we will follow the theory of probability. Okay? So, ito yung mga formula ang gagamitin natin para mahanap natin yung probable error in a single measurements. Ito ang kanyang formula. So, marahil na pag-aralan yung mga ito, mga iba dito sa inyong statistics subjects. Okay? So, yan yung mga formula natin. Probable error of the mean. So, meron din tayong standard deviation. Okay? So, this quantifies the variation within a set of measurements. So, kaano yung variation ng bawat measurement, no? So, makikita mo kung magkakalayo yung mga measurements. For example, isang linya yung mineasure mo, but magkakalayo yung mga values, ibig sabihin, malaki yung kanyang standard deviation. So, then meron tayong standard error. So, ito naman kung yung mga measurements ang kina-quantify ng standard deviation, ito naman yung mean. Okay? Either a single or multiple set of measurements. Ito yung standard error. So, minsan, kailangan nating ilagay sa ating mga surveys ang relative precision ng ating survey para malaman nila na ganito pala siya. Ka-accurate or ka-precise yung kanyang survey. So, ito lang, probable error divided by the MPV. Nakukuha na natin. So, meron tayong tinatawag na weighted observations. Kaya sa mga field notebooks natin, dapat ilagay natin doon, parang diary natin yan sa surveying. So, kailangan ilagay natin kung windy day ba yung survey natin at gumamit tayo ng tip. Malalaman natin na kailangan ito ay hindi masyadong reliable yung measurement natin dahil windy day natin ginawa. Okay? So weight is the relative reliability. So, take note of the word reliability. Okay? Of a quantity as compared with other values of the same quantity. So, let's take an example. If Jack and Jill measured distance AB and Jack measured it once, but Jill measured it twice. Jill's measurement is more reliable. That is, more weight is given to Jill's. Okay? So, kapag dalawang beses niya naman mineasure, ibig sabihin, mas sigurado siya. Okay? Pero isa, minsan lang niya mineasure, hindi natin sigurado masyado. Okay? A measurement with tape on a calm sunny day is more reliable than measurement done on a windy day. Okay? Kasi ililipad niya yung tape. Okay? Na pang measure natin. Hindi natin alam kung may sag yun. Di ba? May sag. Okay? So, corrections and adjustments. So, values can be adjusted by adding or subtracting the corrections. Okay? Para ma-correct natin. I-add natin or i-adjust natin. Depende kung ang error ay positive or negative. Diba? Next. So, here are some examples. Example number 1. The angles about a point have the following observed values. Okay? So, tingnan natin 87 degrees, so and so. Ayan, yung tatlong angle. Determine the most probable value of the three angles. So, take note, if this is the point, return natin yung pointer natin. Laser. So, if this is the point, these are the three angles ABC. Okay? Or theta 1, theta 2, and theta 3. So, pag pinag-add natin lahat itong angles, dapat ang sum niya is 360 degrees. Okay? So, titingnan natin kung ang sum ba ng tatlong ito ay 360 degrees. Okay? So, sum is, meron siyang discrepancy. Merong sobrang 30 seconds. Okay? So, ang correction niya is 30 divided by 3. We have negative 10. Okay? Dahil wala namang weight per measurement, ibig sabihin, hindi sinabi kung dalawang beses mineasure ito, tatlong beses yan, and so on and so forth. At mineasure noong hindi maganda ang panahon yan, hindi naman sinabi, di ba? So, ibig sabihin, pare-parehas lang yung weight nila. Kaya pare-parehas natin i-distribute yung correction. So, theta 1, parehas yung kanyang correction. Okay? Yan, kaya para ma-correct natin. Yan, para masigurado natin na tama yung corrections natin, i-check natin kung ang sum nito ay tamang-tamang 360. Okay? So, dapat adjusted theta 1, adjusted theta 2, adjusted theta 3, it should be equal to 360 degrees. At 360 degrees nga. Okay? So, ganyan lang mag-adjust ng mga kanyang measurements. Dali. Example number 2. The following were determined in a series of rod readings made under identical conditions. Take note, again, this is under identical conditions. Ibig sabihin, pare-parehas lang yung mga condition. Maaraw. Kung maaraw yan, maaraw lahat. Kinuha yung measurements. So, ito yung mga measurements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 set of 11 measurements ito. Rod readings. Okay? Ibig sabihin, leveling ang ginawa dito kasi rod readings. Okay? So, determine the following. MPV of the observed rod readings, probable error of single measurement, and of the mean, the relative precision of single measurement and of the mean. Determine also the standard deviation and the standard error. So, maraming pinapagawa rito sa atin. So, ibig sabihin ito, iisang height lang ang mineasure nila. Okay? Iisang height. Pero, makita nyo, hindi pare-parehas yung measurement. Merong pagkakaiba. Dapat, parehas lang dapat kasi isang height, diba? Pero, sabi nga natin, meron at merong error. So, unahin natin yung MPV. So, as I've said, kunin lang natin lahat. I-add natin divided by the number of observations. 11 na bilang natin kanina. So, and then, ito yung average. Ito na yung MPV, most probable value. So, mas maraming measurements ang gagawin natin. Gawin nating 100 na measurements ito. Pero, matatagalan naman tayo sa trabaho, diba? Lesser ang kaniyang error sana. Okay? So, next, kailangan natin yung probable error of single measurement. Pero hindi agad tayo makakapunta rito. Hindi natin masosolve yan. Kasi, sa formula, kailangan natin yung ayan. So, pupunta muna tayo dito sa table. Ito yung mga observations. Ito yung residual. So, which is just we subtract MPV from the observations. So, 3.01, 3.301 minus the MPV, 3.308 is just negative. Okay, mas malaki ito kaysa yung mas malaki yung MPV kaysa ito. So, negative 0.007. Pag i-square natin, ayan ang lalabas. I-square natin to. Magiging positive na siya. So, gawin natin ito lahat sa mga observations. And then, is-sum up natin yung square of the residuals. Ito yung ilalagay natin dito. Okay? So, yan. Ito yung probable error. So, ibig sabihin, ganyan yung pwedeng error ng ating mga bawat single measurement. So, either positive or negative. Ayan. Ganon din naman sa probable error of the mean. Okay? So, ito naman sa kanya, 0.001. And the relative precision ay 0.003. So, the single measurement ito, no? So, ito yung kukunin natin, 0.003 divided by the MPV is just this one, but dapat take note, pag naglalagay tayo ng relative precision or accuracy ratio, dapat 1 or unity ang kanyang numerator, and then ito ano na natin, gawin nating i-round na natin, i-round off. Pwede nga nating sabihin 1 over 1,000 ito. 1,000 ito. Okay?
For example, mag-figure ako.
So,
mag-figure ako.
ito. Relative precision of the mean. So, ito naman gagamitin natin. Then, makukuha natin yung relative precision. Again, unity ang numerator. I-round off natin yung denominator. So, pinapahanap din sa atin yung standard deviation. May formula tayo sa standard deviation, which is square root of the square of the residuals divided by square root of n minus 1. So, 11 minus 1, 10 yan. So, ito yung standard deviation. So, standard error, standard deviation divided by n, square root of n. So, yan yung standard error. Okay? So, next example. So, a line is measured on a windy day as 338.65 and same line measured on a calm day, 338.37. So, if the latter measurement is given 4 times the reliability of the first, so determine the most probable value of the measured line. So, ito, mineasure noong calm day, ito noong windy day. Okay? So, ang reliability nito is 4 times the reliability of this one. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, ang weight nito is just 1. So, i-multiply natin ng 1.
Wala pang loading doon.
Ito, multiply natin ng 4.
Oo,
Yun ang weight niya.
0999.
Okay? So, 4, 5. Okay? So, parang 5 measurements ang ginawa natin. Okay? So,
Tapos, pag
divided by 5,
magpa-load ako sa
ito
inyo,
yung MPV natin. So,
paano
madali
yung
lang.
bayaran?
So, oops. Ito, nakuha ko kasi sa example
Siya
number
nilagay
1.
dun sa...
So, parehas lang sa example number 1 ito. Pero nilagyan ko ng ito measured once.
Malayo.
Measure minsan lang measure. Ito
Okay,
twice
oo.
measure, no? Na lumabas ay parehas. Ito thrice measure. So determine the most probable value of the three angles. Mas maganda kung magsosolve tayo ng mga ganito, lagyan natin na ilagay natin sa table. I-table natin ika nga. Mas maganda. So ito yung mga measured values. Ayan. Sila. So tingnan natin. Sa number 1, nakita natin discrepancy niya ay error niya ay 30
Hindi ko na alam kung ano ito.
seconds. Ibig sabihin, dahil sobra ng 30 seconds, dapat susubtract natin yung correction. Diba? Para maging 360 lang. Okay? So, ang weight, measured once, so 1. Measured twice, so 2. Measured 3 times, 3. I-add natin yung mga weights,
Oo.
6. Okay? So, kailangan i-proportion natin yung correction.
Oo muna.
So, 6 yung total na weight. Ito yung numerator natin. Ito yung going denominator. I-multiply natin
Oo.
sa factor na x. Okay?
Mm-mm.
So, kasi kailangan
Mm-mm.
lesser ang weight, greater ang correction.
Oo.
Okay?
So, ilan
Lesser
siya?
ang weight, greater correction. Okay? So, kaya ganun. So, 6 divided by this one times x.
Ngayon,
6. Yan.
dito sa
And then, i-add natin ito lahat. 11x equals
may mabilis tayo.
the correction, 30,
Yan.
the error, 30 seconds. So, x equals 30 over 11. Pwede nating i-round ito. Pero, ito na lang. Dito na lang tayo mag-round. No? So, i-multiply natin ito. I-substitute natin yung 30 over 11 dito. Makakuha tayo ng value na negative. Again, negative kasi susubtract natin para matanggal yung sobra.
Sa enroller din
Okay?
or
So, tingnan natin mas malaki ito.
okay.
Yung
Oo,
correction dahil
subtraction.
mas maliit yung weight niya.
Okay.
Ayan. Lumiliit kasi lumalaki din
Oo,
yung
kasi
weight.
nakapanganak ako eh.
Ayan.
Okay.
So, makita natin 30. Ay, mali ito. 30 seconds
Sabi
dapat yan.
30 or 40.
So,
Pero
adjusted
bukas.
value or the
Oo,
MPV of
pero
each
bukas punta
angle,
ako ng
ito yan.
hospital.
So, ibig sabihin, sinubtract na natin tong correction. Sinubtract natin correction. Pag i-add natin yan, eksaktong 360. Ibig sabihin, na-adjust na natin yung mga angles. Ito yung most probable
Oo.
na values.
Mm-mm.
Okay?
Oo.
So, that is about corrections. So, pwede nyo nang sagutin yung quiz
Oo.
assignment number 1. Okay? So, pwedeng magkaroon kayong option na answer via Google Classroom and then attach your solution. I-attach nyo lang doon sa inyong isasubmit pag mag-turn in kayo. Okay? Ito ay para sa mga malalakas ang internet connections, no? Mas maganda kung doon sana kayo magsagot sa my Google Classroom. So, sa mga medyo may problema sa internet connection at naghahang ang gadget kapag sumasagot sa Google Classroom, you can answer it on a piece of paper, capture, then send via my Messenger or Gmail account. So the questions will be sent on our GC in Word document. So na-send ko na yan. Okay? So, sa mga hindi pa pag-submit ng assignment number 1, submit nyo and then gawin nyo ang quiz assignment number 1. Thank you.